acceptable by the court.
Why do you want to adjourn?
Well, firstly, my lord, the witness is not feeling well.
What's wrong with her? What's wrong with her?
Yeah, I think she is here, my lord. She can explain what.
Have you consulted with her?
Yes, I did, my lord. She just told me that she is not, because of these problems that are being encountered regarding the accommodation, she's not psychologically ready to proceed today.
So, when will the problems be solved?
I spoke, and that's one of the reasons why it took longer, my lord. I was speaking to the court manager, and she promised to look into that, my lord.
I was speaking with your assistant. She tells me the same problem arose in the past. Mr. Zandi. You know, me, I'm old school. I can't tolerate this type of behavior. Person comes to court, gives evidence. When she must be cross-examined, a problem arises which has got nothing to do with the running of the court. How is that possible?
Yes. As a court policeman, I think it's beyond our
Then I'm
control.
told, we must adjourn. Because the witness is not feeling well.
Yes.
Is that the reason? Or because there are problems with having paid for the accommodation or whatever? Then we must adjourn.
Well, in the main, my lord, she is not feeling well, and she is here to confirm it.
And the defense, what do you say?
No objection, madam.
I've got none as well, my lord.
You what?
I've got none as well, my lord.
Tell me, Miss, what's your full name, by the way? Miss Zandi?
Zandi.
Just stand up,
Zandi,
please. Just stand up. What's your full names?
Zandi Lorraine Kuman.
Yes, what's wrong with you?
I have a pain on my chest.
Hello?
I have a pain on my chest.
You have a pain in your chest?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll postpone to what time tomorrow?
10 o'clock, my lord.
10 o'clock then. Now the accommodation problems, have they been solved?
They will be resolved, hopefully, my lord.
Let me tell you what I once did when I was sitting in the matrix about 15 years back. I had some accused who came to